I recently received this cosmetology training head. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it here with you just to show you what to expect when you receive your training head cosmetology mannequin. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and unbox it here with you. So let's go ahead and take a look. I'm taking it out. I do like that it is packaged nicely, so it does have the bubble wrap preventing it from any damage during shipping. So I'm going to take it out and just show you everything that is included in your box. And I close it up. So it looks like you do get a pair of eyelashes. So take a look. MAC color eyelashes number 27. You also get a comb. So this will help brush your mannequin doll's head. Close that. All right. So in here, it looks like you do get the clamps. So you could go ahead and attach this to your mannequin head. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and just individually show you what is included in the package. So as you can see, we have here the clamp. So I'm going to, so just to undo it, all you have to do is just turn this on here and the clamp is going to start moving, just giving you enough space to make sure where you're going to put this. So it comes with a little stand right here. And then all you have to do is like screw this on here. And then this that will also go underneath the mannequin head, I'm assuming. So take a look. It's kind of like a little stand for your mannequin head. I'm going to go ahead and take out the mannequin head just to show you what that looks like. Also, the mannequin head does come individually wrapped. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out. Okay, take a look. The hair length is kind of like medium hair length. Take a look. This is what the front looks like. So really good quality. The hairline, I'm going to give you a closer look. The hairline, the hair itself. And then on the bottom here is where you'll be placing your mannequin head on your little stand. I'm going to show you the back of the mannequin head. This is what it looks like. All right, so I'm going to use the mannequin head and just brush it through, creating a set of braids. So the hair is very easy to brush through.
The hair was very easy to work with. Remember, this is 100% human hair, which allows you to add heat to the hair, dye the hair, and cut the hair.
So if you're looking for a mannequin head, I would definitely recommend take a look. I am not a professional by any means, but it was very easy to use, very simple, very easy to work with the hair. So I would definitely recommend if you're looking for mannequin head, 10 out of 10.